Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm just going to be journaling with you. So if you're new here, that's what we do. Sometimes there's planners, very ridiculously over the top planners. Sometimes I journal, and that's also ridiculously over the top, but it's fun. So on Tuesday, I had already stuck in that heart washi on the bottom that is just so stinking cute. That was sent to me by one of you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And Tuesday was also karate testing night, you guys. Oh my goodness. So we talked about karate last week, and it's something else. We went over that. So tonight was testing, and Michael and Henry do it together. So they were testing for their brown and black belt. And I don't know how these things work, but apparently they'll stay at brown and black for a long time until their instructors think they're ready to test for a black belt. So this was a big deal last night because the farther they get, the harder they are to pass and stuff like that. So they've really been practicing, and I just so proud of them. It's pretty much the freaking cutest thing you've ever seen, like in a really badass way. But I had to do another karate cat, you guys. So I just Googled cute kawaii karate cat. And this was an image. Somebody else's artwork. I think it was a sticker on Redbubble. So this is not my artwork. You can Google it and I'm sure you can find it. I'm not selling it. I'm not trying to copy it as my own. I just can't draw. So I have to look at somebody else's amazing things to copy. But it's out of love. So this was my cat in honor of karate testing night, and I think he turned out so cute. I colored in his gi black, and then I made the cat kind of like yellow and orange because that reminded me of Henry, because he's my little red-haired, my little red-headed stepchild, except he's actually my child. Although we don't know where he came from because neither of us have red hair. So when he popped out, we were like,
"Where are you? Where'd you come from? Who are you?"
But we love him. So this piece of collage, the neck and the shoulders, that was from, gosh, I think like a Breathe or something. It was an article about how to give good back massages, and I just thought the illustrations were funny, so I cut that out, and I spent like all day Monday on the computer doing work, trying to catch up with stuff, and so I was like hunched over, and when I do anything, I pretty much stick my head out like a turtle, and I don't realize that I'm doing it, and my husband will all of a sudden he'll walk by me and he'll be like, "Oh God, babe, stop turtling. You are major turtleneck right now." And I can tell because I am sore. My head gives me a headache and my neck hurts. So I just put that in there. Stop turtling. And also that cat at the computer I thought was so funny. That was part of a meme that somebody posted online, and the words to it were different. It was like, oh God, what was it? It made me laugh, but then the cat on the computer I just loved so much. It was something like when you finally look up the lyrics to a song and realize you've been singing nonsense for the last 6 months. And I thought that was so flipping funny because, you guys, I am the worst at song lyrics. The worst. And it's just kind of a running joke. Like, that song on the radio? I don't even know who it's by because I'm not cool, but he's like,
"You know that, oh Lord, that's not it. Throwing that dirt on my knee. You know that I call you up."
Something like that. I sing, "Why you throwing that turtle on my knee?" That's what I sang for the longest time. I knew it wasn't right, but I still do it. And I told Michael that's what I thought it was, so now that's what he sings too.
"Throwing that turtle on my knee."
So there you go. That little cute cat that's kind of gasping, those are Mind Wave stickers. They're Sticker Flakes, Garanian, Mind Wave. I don't know. But I have them linked below from Amazon. But I just thought he looked kind of like nervous. And So that's totally me. Karate, that would make me way too nervous to watch them. So I just put the little stickers, think all the happy thoughts, and I love that little washi strip that says, if you're lucky enough to be different, don't ever change. I put that in there. And then I got a picture of, at the end of the night, they came home and Henry had earned a badge, special team of role models, Storm. And then Henry got a medal. They did really well. And Henry said, I got this badge for perseverance, and Daddy got this medal just because he's really good. I thought that was so funny. So I think they did awesome, and I was really proud of them. They'll find out next week if they earned their belts, but I'm thinking that they did. Sounds like it went well. I'm really proud of him though, because at the beginning, I guess Mr. Dickey, I guess he was kind of railing into somebody named like Henry. He was like, Henry, your stance is off, blah 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 blah, and Henry was like, he didn't know what he was doing wrong, and then at the end. But he just kept pushing forward, and then at the end, I guess all the instructors were talking after everyone left, and they're like, "Man, you were really getting on Henry. We thought he was doing good," and he's like, "Oh no, the other Henry." And he didn't realize that Henry thought it was him, so he called our house at like 9:30, and he was like, "I just want to let you guys know that I was so proud of Henry, and I wasn't trying to discipline him. I thought he did so great, and he got the perseverance badge." And I thought that was so sweet that he called and was like, "I just want you guys to know." So, God bless Mr. Dickey and his craziness. Anyway, and then I'm putting hearts on it because what else do we do here? That's what we do. And then also using my Mildliners to draw a little border. I also used one of those washi day of the week stickers, or washi strips. I think those are from Jet Pens. I think you can get them on Jet Pens. I'm not sure what the brand is though. And then because my pages get so crazy looking that I can't find what day it actually was. So I've found those to be very helpful. And then for Wednesday, which is today, I stuck in the little Mindwave cat sticker with the heart out because I realized that no one had checked the mail. Our mailbox is like down the street, and usually my husband gets it when he gets home from work. But no one had checked it since Friday. And my friend Jamie sent me an email, and she's like, I sent you something. Did you get it? I'm like, I don't know. I have no idea. So I walked down there, and the mailbox was just bursting. But she sent me this. Oh my God, you guys. It is so cute. She made me a mini happy planner, and I am dying over it. It's so cute. It's like rainbow themed, and it's got mermaid scales on it, and then these little sticky notes of the rainbows. I had to take one and put that in my journal for Wednesday because obviously. And then I love that sticker. It says handmade by, and then she wrote her name, but then at the top she put mostly handmade by. So I thought that was adorable. And then I'm giving you a little flip of the mini happy planner that she put together for me. And this is just because she's a sweet, sweet person. And have become friends through, this YouTube channel. And it always blows me away how kind the planner journal community is. Everyone is just, or at least everyone that I've talked to, is just so wonderful, and it's so fun to send surprises to each other, and you guys are just the best. It's so fun. So this is what she did, and look at how much time and effort she put into this, and it's going to be perfect because I will carry this and use it to write little notes about how our Just Put a Heart on It project is going, because it's kind of like, I really want it to get big, you guys. I think we could do something so good for a lot of people. So keep on sharing if you can. It's making my heart just feel like it's just, there's something bigger, there's a reason. So check all that stuff out. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you can watch my video, just put a heart on it, and you can kind of get an idea. But everything is still linked below. And no new news on that front. But besides the fact that we are making a lot of money for her, so awesome. This picture that I cut out of Henry and Addie, this was from a few years ago, like probably 5 years ago. And Henry had these big plastic dinosaur claws, and he got them for his birthday. And because he was obsessed with dinosaurs, and he would wear them, and he would just like torture Addie. He would chase her around with the big dinosaur claws on, and it was actually pretty funny, but scared her half to death. And so I showed Henry that picture, and I said, look, Henry, do you remember this? And he said, oh, I remember those claws. He said, now I just terrorize her with my toots instead. That's a 9.5-year-old boy for you. So, and he does too. That's a fact. He's not lying. So I thought that was so funny that I had to record it in my journal. And the dinosaur is from one of his scouting magazines. When he's done reading them, I take them, and sometimes I cut out fun images just for situations like this. And then I took some heart stickers, and I was writing in there that she sent me that, and that there was these rainbow badges, and I put one on my work bag, I put one on my Delfonics, I put one on the front of my planner, and then I put one on the little elastic band on the mini happy planner. So the rainbow badges are in full effect. And I think I might put one on my work badge reel too. So there we go. And then I am just journaling about how I got to go to work tonight, and I feel like I've hardly slept because my brain just will not shut off with everything going on. And I put in some more stickers, those seal stickers. It says, I love everything about you. And then a little happy girl, happy life sticker with a little love banner. And then I was just writing that as much as I just loathe Facebook, I have been so thankful for it the last day and a half or two, just because things have just been able to spread so quickly, and the support has just been overwhelming, and for sharing that sweet dinosaur claw memory with me. So sometimes I hate Facebook, but in situations like this, I'm thankful. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Putting some more hearts on it. And that is my journaling for today. I hope you guys are having a great day. Like I said, if you're new here, this is what we do. It's kind of like journaling, and it's kind of like a vlog, because you get to hear about my life too, which, I don't know, is sometimes good and sometimes bad and disgusting. So you can decide if you want to stay. But thanks. Bye.